everybody. This is Ospreyeye from MyChartCoach.com, and we're going to take a look at ticker symbol PULM. Okay, this is a stock that we've been following for many days now, and it's been on this awesome multi-week run. If you look here. First off, let's just take a quick look at RSI. RSI is hitting above 70 now at 72. You've got Fasto all the way up here at 96. So both indicators are overbought levels. There's a bounce on plus DI on 80X. What we were looking for today is a close above the high close resistance level, which is the close here on the 27th of January, which is roughly about 337. We're looking for a break above that 337, 340 zone is what we're calling it. Close above that level to signal more upside potential. When the share price ran to that level today and broke above, it was signaling more upside potential. If you've been following our charts in TA, you know that you know that we were looking for potential pullback here on this candle on the 27th when it closed well above the upper Bollinger Band. The reason why is because it had broken above the 300-day simple moving average. That's this blue line here. The candles pulled back, and then they found support off the 300-day simple moving average at EMA 8 here, and then you've got this nice bounce off the 300 today. So that was a very very nice bounce off of a key support level. The candles are pushing higher above EMA's 4 and 8 support. This is a very strong uptrend. Notice there's big volume behind the move, huge volume bars. So lots of volume behind this play. The big volume last week was telling us that this had more upside potential. So what we do when a stock is breaking out is we like to look at the weekly chart. So let's take a look at this PULM weekly chart here. First off, notice that you do have RSI above 70, so it's at overbought levels, and Fasto is at 95, and that's also at overbought levels. So it remains to be seen if it can keep pushing higher at this overbought level on both indicators. There is a downtick this week on plus DI. The key here, if you checked out our last chart when this was closed last week above this 50-week simple moving average here, the green line, we were putting the 100-week moving average at 418 on deck if the uptrend continued, and that is still the target. So we're looking for a potential move here to 418, and that could possibly signal the top of this run. That is going to be the key level to break. If it can get above 418, you notice over here the 200 and 300 week moving averages are undefined. So it could break out much higher. So that is the key level to break. There is big volume behind the move. Notice this is a multi-week run. So this is going on a 5-week run, and it's hitting up here at this key resistance zone. Notice back here that this zone here in 2016 around 340, 350 was big resistance, and so you could see a pullback to that level. If it gets below that 350 level and it fails to close above the 100-week moving average, you could see the candles work back into the bands. If they do, the down here at the EMA 4 will be your first support level if there is a pullback, and then you'd like to see the 50-week moving average hold. I would be more bullish on this, continuing with more upside, and thinking that there could be a potential break above the 100-week moving average. But due to the fact that they have a public offering that's going to be starting potentially tomorrow, they could start dumping shares, and that could put pressure on the share price. So so we're thinking that possibly the 100-week moving average could be the climax of this run. So that is the target. If you look here at the news, here's the news here. They announces a $5 million registered direct offering, and you can see here February 2nd on or about that date. So we're not exactly sure when they're going to start dumping, but it looks like it's going to start happening. Their level is 250 that they're dumping from. So as you can see here at $4, they're making good money by selling shares up here. What we like to do is follow the 15-minute chart. Check out how candles are riding above EMA's 4 and 8 support higher. If there's a break below EMA 4, that's going to signal the chart is cooling down. And then if there's a break below EMA 8, you could see a drop down to the middle Bollinger Band. For us, if this middle Bollinger Band breaks, then that's going to be a signal that the chart is cooling back down. So yeah, so there's big volume behind the move. This is an awesome run. Congrats to everybody, and just trade with caution and know that at some point here there is likely to be shares being dumped on the open market. But yeah, yeah, congratulations to everyone. And if you like this chart and you'd like to check us out more and view more videos and more charts, check us out at our mychartcoach.com YouTube channel. And you can see here, if you scroll down, that we have our last PULM chart here, and that's got some good analysis as well. Okay, thank you very much for viewing this chart.